So, we're going to work on this. This is 667. So Jason sent me a note. Just got this box. Not sure if driver works or not, because variable does not work. I see about 475 watts in peak. And then he says 2879 question mark, Class C question mark. I'm open to whatever you think. I want to get as many watts out of it as possible. Of course, that means your standard C beer. May need to made a fan, added this, will go in my mobile. Okay, so you want me to put a fan in it? No problem. Well, on quick review, just like I was talking about with you on the phone, Jason, there's a small problem here. This whole the whole driver section is bypassed, and they did a really shitty job at it at that. So we're going to fix this. I'm going to rewrap this and put everything where it needs to be and hook all this back up and get all this running again. We're going to change over your power wire. I'm going to take that jumper there, right there, move it over that direction, and this jumper here, move it over that way, make it Class C. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to change this resistor down here. I'm going to change out the ground lead that goes between the two boards so it actually can carry some fucking current. And let's see, what else should I do? Oh, yeah, we're going to get rid of this that goes to here, this that goes to there, and make it incredibly low drive. You're going to get a whole lot more power out of it. So, on that note, give me just a second. More fun stuff to come. Okay, Jason, buddy, you're all done, man. Here's your 667. The one-pill driver has been put in. The power wires have been modified. The ground wire has been modified. It has been turned over to Class C. And this thing is an incredibly sensitive little guy. No more than 1 watt dead key, and I'm going to show you why here in just a second. So we're going to use our 2950 today. It's a 1000 watt slug in PEP, 1000 average, 5 watt slug in reverse, back from the bird, 10,000 watt demi-load, 5 watts between the 2950 and the 667. So 20 watts of peak drive, and so we got the variable all the way open on this, Jason. Let me show you this again. Let's take this 1 or 5 watt slug and turn it around real quick. So we're dead key in 1 watt. With the variable all the way open, throws a 400 watt carrier. And it's swinging forward to almost 800 watts. 400 bird carrier, but falling back. Let's run that at about half, Jason. Still falling back. You're going to run this between 3/4 and half. Now, if you go to AM low, which that would be medium, medium gets you 700 watts with a 200 watt dead key. And we're going to engage the sideband button, which would be low. Please note where the variable knob is on the front. Now, it's a fully functional box again, my friend. The key in circuit that you were having problems with is fixed. It does not have any burn pills in it. And if we put a bigger transistor in here for more drive, you're just going to end up overdriving this thing without fundamentally changing a bunch of stuff at its core. This is a good amp. I went ahead and I bent the corner back out for you. Got that all nice and square. So that's correct again. I'm going to put a lid on it, and we're going to put it in the mail. And Jason, I appreciate you being honest with me and telling me you wanted to hold up on that other box instead of having me spend half the day and repair it and then leave me hanging for 2-3 weeks on that. I appreciate that, and it means a ton to me, buddy. I'll be calling you here in a bit. Gentlemen, my name is BBI, and without a shadow of a doubt, I am the biggest mud duck in Idaho. Come check me out. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. I'm all over the place. Go to my webpage, www.bbiamps.com. You can follow the links below to connect to those different social media outlets. Or just follow along right here on the YouTube Gargler. Make sure to subscribe. Jason, you're all cleaned up and ready to go. I'll see you guys. Bye. Hey Jason, before I take off on you, buddy, I wanted to show you one more thing. You said you wanted to put a fan on it. I don't blame you. These things get hotter than hell. It works with the on-off button on the front of the radio, or the front of the amplifier. And brother, that thing's on there. Anywho, that's it. I think you're square now, man. You're off to the races. I'll see you. Bye-bye.